Welcome to the fourth video of NFT for Developers series. So today you're going to learn everything about minting your NFTs on the testnet. So yeah, we're going to cover everything we did on the sandbox from the previous videos. We're going to do the same thing on the testnet. So yeah, let's jump straight in. So everything we did in the previous videos, we were doing it on the sandbox. We can double check our configuration for that specific project and see what are the available networks. We need to type NFT and then show network all. So as you can see, the sandbox is highlighted because we were using the sandbox environment, and now we want to switch to the testnet. So what we need to do, we need to paste this command, and now the network is selected. So okay, now if we do the same show network command, now we can see that the testnet is highlighted. So next thing we need to do is literally do the bootstrap command. You need to do it only once. So once it's done for the testnet. The next step is to create the NFTs on the testnet. And there are two ways of doing this. First of all, you can use a wallet, for example, the Temple wallet that is able to use the ghostnet, the testnet, or you can use the Octave client. It's entirely up to you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use both. So let's start with the Temple wallet. I already have the Temple wallet extension here, so I need to log into it. So this account is using a ghostnet. Yeah, as you can see, this is the ghostnet testnet. So I have already some tests here because I use the faucet. So yeah, let me grab the private key from here. So what I can do, I can literally go to reveal private key. All right, it's revealed. Please don't copy it. I won't use it anyway, but yeah, it's going to be a waste of your energy. So now I can use this key and I can create an alias. So I literally type TZNFT, add, I'm gonna say my Temple wallet. Boom. So that's how I added my Temple wallet alias. So now I'm gonna show you how to do the local wallet. All right, so before that, you need to have your Octave client installed with the FlexTZ Docker container. So we need to generate some local keys using the Octave client gen keys command. So let's copy this and let's paste it there. Simple as that. To get the keys for the wallet, we need to use the second command. All right. So as you can see, I have access to my public key and my secret key. So now let's add this to my local account. So the secret key would be this. So I need to replace my private key variable from here with this. Boom. So now I have two aliases. I have my local account and my wallet account. Obviously, the local account doesn't have any sort of funds. So I'll show you how to use the faucet to top up our local account. So we literally need to go to the link provided in the tutorial. And all we need to do is find the address that is our hash from here. So I'm copying, I'm pasting, I'm requesting, let's say, 1,000 Tez. It will take a little while, but yeah, finally when it's there, it's going to be there. Before we jump into creating collection and originating it on the testnet, let's double check that we do have a valid testnet address in our config file. So literally we need to do this. So yeah, let's have a look. So at the moment we have that URL, and if you want updated list of the available ghostnets, you should go to testnets.xyz. So, but testnets obviously. So let's go here and maybe let's use the very last one. Yeah, let's use that one. Oops. Okay, so let's save it and... Okay, so now we need to mint our collection. So I'm gonna copy that command and let's start with the local account. My local account. Yeah, I'm gonna use the my collection JSON file, but I'm gonna call it differently. So my local collection. All right, let's give it a go. Originating. Okay, nice. So we have my local collection alias and the config file was updated. So let's have a look. Brilliant. So we have my local account, my local collection. Brilliant. Okay, let's do the same thing for my Temple wallet. We can exit now. And let's do the same thing, but with different alias. Yeah, my Temple wallet. And we're going to give a different alias for this collection. So it's Temple wallet collection. Originating the new NFT contract. Boom. So the config file was updated. Let's have a look again. So now if we scroll down and we will have a look at my Temple wallet collection, we have the new address of the collection for my Temple wallet. Simple as that. In the previous video, when we were minting NFTs on our local environment, we did create some files that we uploaded to our IPFS. So we made some nodes. Let's drag the node all the way back here because we will again use the same structure as here. So this is the command that we want to use. And we already created 2 tokens in the previous videos, but on local environment. So now I want to make some changes. So instead of having Bob and my collection, we're going to use the aliases that we use currently. And we're going to do two tokens. So let's edit everything here. So that one's going to be local wallet. And the second one is going to be Temple wallet. I'm just literally gonna copy and paste this here. So instead of having the alias Bob, we're gonna use the alias from our TZNFT JSON file. So if we scroll all the way down, my temple wallet is the alias that we're gonna use here for the temple for token number 1 and number 2. And obviously my temple collection alias looks slightly different. So we're gonna paste it here and here. And for my local account, this is the alias for my local account. So instead of Bob and Bob here, we're gonna use my local account, and my local collection is the alias for the collection. All right, so now we have our commands ready. Let's test them in action. All right, first command. We're gonna mint the very first token for the local wallet. Minting tokens. Tokens minted. Brilliant. So let's have a look. I need to copy this. Minting tokens. Tokens minted. Now let's do the same thing for our temple wallet. I'm copying the right command. Tokens minted, and the second token is on its way to tokens minted. So let's actually check if we do have those tokens minted. So how to do it? You can view your token balances by using this command. So let's go back to our balances. And we're gonna use that specific command for our needs. So obviously TZNFT, show balance. And now instead of my collection, I want to use my local collection. And Singer would be my local account. And the owner is also my local account. Yeah, as we can see, we have token 1, balance 1. If we want to check out both, we need to add number 2 here. So, there you go. If you want to check your temple account, use exactly the same command but with the right aliases. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to do it slightly different. As you can see, we have 1 token each. Okay, so all we can see here now is pretty much the same as the local sandbox. And maybe you don't trust me that it's on the testnet and you would like to check it yourself if those tokens are actually on the testnet too. So to make it work, let's go to our block explorer called tzkt, but remember to switch from mainnet to ghostnet. And yeah, if we want to check out our local collection account, we can copy this. And yeah, what do we have here? We can check the operations. Look, we have our token 1 and token 2. So surely it's not only in our local environment, it's also on our ghostnet. The same thing with the second collection. We can go and check out our second collection. And yeah, as you can see, we minted both tokens there. Let's have a closer look on the test token 1, and we can see when it was minted, who is the holder. Yeah, it works as expected. Let's now transfer tokens between the accounts. To transfer the tokens, you need to use this command. We're gonna obviously transfer from our local account to our temple account, because both of them, they have some funds and we have some tokens there. Let's make sure that we are able to transfer between them. So after copying this command, we can edit it accordingly. So my collection would be my local collection. And I'm the signer, so I'm gonna use this account as signer. Boom. So we're gonna transfer from here to my temple wallet. So we're gonna transfer both tokens, token number 1 and token number 2. So let's check that out. So let's paste that here and see what will happen. Transferring tokens. Tokens transferred. How to double check that it actually worked? We can do it in the terminal, or we can do it on our TZKT block explorer. Let's use both methods. So first of all, we're gonna check if we still have anything in our local collection. No, there's nothing there. Brilliant, that's a good sign. Let's have a look on the second one, which is my temple wallet. Yeah, and yeah, we have 1 and 1 here. So now we want to see if we do have a collection, my local collection, instead of the my temple wallet collection. So all I need to do is to edit this. So it's gonna be my local collection. Yeah. So we have this collection as well. So now let's check it in the block explorer. Again, let's have a look here. So yeah, as you can see, the most recent operation was transfer. Yep. And now we see token 2 transferred and token 1 was transferred. Okay, so that's it. We've covered everything we could for our test and local environments. So now we're gonna deep dive into way more serious things like marketplaces for NFTs. If you like that video, hit that like button below and consider subscribing for more content like this. All right, see you in the 5th video. Bye.